Hi, I'm Christy Stanley, your independent Norwex sales consultant, and today I want to share with you two of my favorite products that Norwex offers because you can clean virtually anywhere in your house with these two products. This is the EnviroCloth, and the EnviroCloth has microfiber that is woven and fibers that are woven, and these fibers are 1/200th a strand of human hair, which means a piece of human hair cut lengthwise 200 times. If you think about that, that helps you to understand how dense this cloth is. And if you were to unweave all of those fibers, they would go from Canada to the Gulf of Mexico just in one cloth. So that density helps the cloth to be able to pull up the debris and bacteria that it wipes over when you're wiping surfaces. Whereas the window cloth follows behind by polishing those areas and leaving your surfaces streak-free no matter what direction you wipe in. So I love these two products together and joke that I often clean my whole house with one in each hand. To show you how effective these products work, especially together, I have wiped butter on our microwave, and I'm going to fold the microfiber EnviroCloth in fourths so that I have 4 different sides to work with, and I'm going to wipe that butter off with the EnviroCloth. That was one swipe, and you can tell all the butter is on there and no longer on the microwave. After I do that one swipe to get that butter off, I'm going to go right behind with the window cloth and dry that area and leave it streak free. I love these products because I really do feel like they complement each other very well, and it's a great way to get started and not be so intimidated by the products and how to start around your house. You can literally use these on any surface like I mentioned. The EnviroCloth, they say E is for everything EnviroCloth. There's pretty much no surface you can't use these on other than anti-glare surfaces. If you have any questions or are interested in these products, I would love for you to check out my website or contact me for more information.